Nevada Virtual Academy, the academy in the virtual reality where everything is possible and learning occurs all the time, where everybody is able to get anything, everything, and all the information by using this magic tool which is called the internet. Multiply and simplify. X squared minus 4x minus 12 over x squared plus 9x plus 14, everything multiplied by fraction line x squared plus 10x plus 21 over x squared minus 3x minus 18. And I'm getting tired just by reading the problem. What should we do? Okay. Well, you can go ahead and multiply, but then you have to simplify. And my advice is, before you multiply, how about looking for factors of each one of these trinomials, top and bottom, numerator, denominators, because eventually you will be able to make your life easier. Eventually you will be able to find some factors, top and bottom, that will cancel out. Let's start with the first one. X squared minus 4x minus 12. Okay. Well, can you factor this trinomial? The answer is, if it's not prime, I will definitely have two binomials, one positive, one negative, we're going to talk about that, but they will start with x, because x times x, remember the FOIL, first terms, x times x is x squared. I'm looking at my last term here, is a negative one. That tells me I will have a positive and the negative. I will have a plus and a minus. Now, the middle one is negative. So whatever my two numbers will be here as factors of negative 12, the positive one is the smallest one in absolute value, because their sum is negative 4. What factors of 12 add up to negative 4? One positive, one negative. Well, the one I'm seeing here will be 2 and negative 6, right? 2 times negative 6 is negative 12. We're good. 2 plus negative 6 equals negative 4, and we've got it. The factors of x squared minus 4x minus 12 will be x plus 2 times x minus 6. Okay? Moving on. Let's check x squared plus 9x plus 14. I will use a different color. X squared plus 9x plus 14, and I have to find its factors, if any, right? X squared will be the product of x and x. Last term is positive, which means everything is positive or everything is negative. But to find out if it's positive, you're looking at your middle term, which is positive. I'm 100% sure that will be x plus something times x plus something else. I'm looking for factors of 14, right? Two numbers that multiply that give me 14, 2 and 7, and they add up to 9. Well, then I'm good, because my middle term is 9. This is it, x plus 2 times x plus 7. Okay? Next one, let's use a different color. X squared plus 10x plus 21, right? Okay, x squared plus 10x plus 21. If this is not prime, x and x will be the first term in each one of these factors, right? Binomials. Plus, plus, positive, positive. As in the previous problem, I will definitely have plus, plus in each one of the parentheses. Two numbers whose product is 21. Well, as you guys can guess in here, 7 and 3, right? 7 times 3 is 21. 7 plus 3 is 10. I'm done. Hi Brittany, how are you? Okay, now we have x squared minus 3x minus 18. Okay, this one here. Now let's see what is its factorization. X squared minus 3x minus 18. If this is not prime, there will be two binomials, each one starting with x. And because your last term here is negative, you will definitely have a plus and a minus. I'm looking for two numbers who multiply up to negative 18 and add up to negative 3. As you guys can guess, what's going to be negative 6 and 3, right? Because negative 6 plus 3, I mean negative 6 times 3 is negative 18, plus 3 will be negative 3. Okay, so I have x plus 3, x minus 6. Okay, and now we can rewrite all the problem here, your whole problem, as x plus 2 times x minus 6, right? We got this up here, over x plus 2 times x plus 7, multiply fraction line. The next one is what? X plus 3. Hold on, here was x plus 2, not x plus 7. Right? X plus 3 times x plus 7. And the other one is here, over x plus 3 times x minus 6. Okay? Now what do you guys notice? I got an x plus 2 and x plus 2. They will cancel out. X minus 6, x minus 6. X plus 7, x plus 7. X plus 3, x plus 3. So the answer here will be 1. And this is the way you have to solve a similar problem. Thank you.